Hey, good morning, everyone. Right now it's about 6:20 a.m. The reason I come up this early is because supposedly sunrise today is at 6:45, but looks like the sky is already pretty bright. Yeah, I want to take a video of the day, night changing into day. Thought it's gonna be look a little different than what I would usually take, because I normally don't get up this early. So, oh, you hear the bird? Do you hear the bird? Yeah, so, well, I just have a very strong feeling about coming out early and take a walk, seeing night turn into day, seeing the sunrise. Maybe it's a sign that I start something new, like YouTube channel. I must be crazy, right? Yeah, the people who knows me must be asking me, why you want to start a channel? Isn't it more useful if you spend this time to maybe find a different job, or maybe learn a new skill, like more coding skills? Hopefully, again, get another job. Hopefully, it pay you more. I think it's a good point, but I think it's only one part of the equation. I mean, finding a job, making money, is your goal is still, when you go out to work for someone else, you really go out there to solve somebody else's problems. And in some ways, just isn't too interesting, right? So maybe you find some maybe you could just find your own problems to solve, if you know what I mean. Like, do something for yourself. Don't just spend all the time solving problems for other people. It's their problems. That's why they're paying you. Why have a middleman between you and your goal, which is, your money? So I think if you're successful in doing your own business or doing your own, creation, it's always a better idea. Yeah, in other words, going to work is really just the less ideal option, right? So for today, I'm going to walk down this Bayside Avenue in Flushing, and I'll go down to Brown Park, and I'll just take a walking video around the park, and I'll put that up in another video. And I hope you enjoy. Now I try not to talk too much when I take my videos, because I really don't like my voice. But you know, let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Questions. And most importantly, if you like what I do, these people are going to work. It's already packed. Yeah, moreover, if you like what I do here and you'd like to see more of this, leave a comment and subscribe. If you don't like what I see, if you don't like what you see here, tell me what you'd like to see, and I'll see if I could do something about it. But I think what I would do is going to be mostly walking tour of different cities if I do visit other cities, which I don't do a lot. Otherwise, it would be mostly in New York City. So, yep, that's my town. Thank you.